Question. Where is MACKA Diamond now after she care for her career go dash her over TikTok? I sing song with Derek and some old batty boy or something.
Dirty stinking twins of twins, boy. I wanna live nowhere. Yeah, your brother have a blood clot living in one house. Come suck out my battle. But career, you have none? You not have no blood clot career, you have ton blogger. Come suck out the battle.
Hot topic people. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nande. You know it's a boy Nande and I building with another episode, another banging trending vlog. So you know we're active out here, create the content them quick and fast, mad. So we see where dancehall artist, I would say dancehall icon MACKA Diamond, she get wicked and wild pan 2 lakhs after 2 lakhs came out and called her name in one of his podcasts, you know, the My 2 Cents podcast. So 2 lakhs say something about MACKA Diamond and Jaja people who don't want to hear because it's a crazy thing and MACKA Diamond I go hard. Plus I also have another topic where me see a gunman go in a one store in a Half Tree, a Clock Tower Plaza, and him stick up a girl, and after him stick up the girl and rob the store, he then turned around and let the girl give him a head. And trust me people, that part of the video didn't show, but you can definitely see him bring the girl in the changing room and him do some stuff to her, as in he either have sex with her, or you know, it's said that him give the girl head because the girl come out and stated what happen and so forth. But my God, people, Jamaica under fire right now with so much things going on in the media. And you know, a couple days ago, Jamaican's son died, and to see this come around now, it's a whole lot of things. And then again, you know, Jamaican media is always festival. There's so much going on. But with further ado, people, stick around, sit back, don't move a muscle, and take in the vlog, people.
Question. Where is MACKA Diamond now after she care for her career go dash her over TikTok? I sing song with Derek and some old batty boy or something.
Dirty stinking twins of twins, boy. I wanna live nowhere. Yeah, your brother have a blood clot living in one house. Come suck out my battle. But career, you have none? You not have no blood clot career, you have ton blogger. Come suck out the battle. You are gonna away more than me? Hey, dirty boy. Me don't need none of you. For come tell me about my career, because I don't fuck nobody if I have no career. Hey, dirty stinking twins of twins, boy. Come suck out my battle. I want to know. Hey, dirty boy. Where me there? See me here. See me here drunk, come near me out. You stink like you feel a dog shit. You have no career. You have no blood clot career, dirty boy. Twins of twins, boy. You don't have no career. You don't have a song like what me having a music. You're bright no blood clot. But me do song with Batman. You fuck Batman. Do allow a batty blood clot, man. That's why now worry about me and do song with Batman. On a blood clot deal. I what do you know? On a stink like. Look what Batman no got the show for. Look what Batman go the money. Look what Batman no gonna do the plate. I what do you dirty boy? Look what Batman the music. Hey boy, don't fuck your blood clot self for me now. Go suck your mother. But blood clot career. My business about career. My business about on the dirty stinking people. But what I want about me. Don't want about me. Cause me not no career, me I'm a pussy. When me can't give man for fuck out and get money. Hey boy, I go suck your mother again and suck her 20 million times. Boy, I'm moving the blood now look hype. Everything gonna come texted for me and my blood clot career. Me business about career. Hey dirty boy, when you singing that music, what kind of hit song you have? Tell the people what kind of hit song you have. You not have no career. Cause suck your mother, look what Batman on the work for. On the work for how much company in music and you can't boss. And enough I company in music have Batman night. Well, I'm come suck me out. About me come a TikTok come dash up my career. Like my career, what is it? Did you make my career, sir? Mr. Twins of Twins, have you ever spent $1 on my career? You want me to tell the people them why you not like me Twins of Twins? Why you text it from me, I beg me for do one show or something for you. I remember when they call me one time, come beg me for do. And true me not do it, I just have me final. Because you couldn't even pay me. You can't pay nobody for do nothing. You have to beg freeness. That's all on the do. When one career, when somebody career out, on the beg it out. That's all on the good for. The amount of people use Derek sound, so for them career done. The amount of people with good job and work. When me go up on one of Derek post and when post, the amount of people reuse it and I say it. So me say I've got confident with people that too. Twins have got come for the whole world because of 20,000, 10,000, 5,000. How many people use Derek's sound? How many people use it? So you are trying to tell me that when a Batman book you, when you the claim say you utter in a music. When a Batman book you, it was okay. But if me do something that Batman not okay and me's a woman. Me a woman and you a man, and look what Batman you work with in the past. Twins have twins. You work with Batman and music. I want to work with Batman. Batman dance to the song. Batman keep show. Batman have company. Most of the company that my friend was sign people. A Batman unite.
So yeah, people, 2 Lakhs out here behave like a freedom fighter. And remember, he said that he's a misogynistic person, you know. So Jano is like the man that like the woman them and the man that diss up the woman them away, because recently we see him talk about Spice, because you know Spice is over TikTok also. And he's stating that Spice is a dancehall artist and she over TikTok. And I make people that take her for idiot or Jade and a class or Ray and so forth. But people tell me only think about that video there with MACKA Diamond, but and the other clippings though.
So you don't know if you be a star. Look on Nation Boss, Panda Live here, and tell me if you see a star right there. So look on this.
When I know what I don't want to play, now watch my bossy. Now you want to play what you know, suck your mother. Let out the mother Nation Boss, bite your mother. Suck your mother, low life, butty pussy boy. Suck your mother. Oh no, a cloud chaser. Oh no, a cloud chaser. Oh no, some butty boy. When me are nobody, you decline me days, months and decades. Or suck your mother Nation Boss. Butty boy. I'm sorry me listen to your song them. I'm sorry me listen to your song them, Batty boy. Or suck your mama. Come up from the screen, Batty boy. Hey, girl, freckles, leave.
You see that? Tell me which part in that clip that while ago you say a real star. You know what, I look a Batty boy then, I'm cowboy, I feel like him can come size up with you, bro. Can you go over there? I feel them ear, can you depend? That's why the man can deal with this like a waste man. You know why nobody not talk about one of Jamaica's baddest vocalists? When named Silk Boss today? Because the man them get them break from TikTok, social media, and all. Instagram, all these things, Facebook. And them just feel so because them get the break over there them fi stay. When you get the break and you're a real artist, you have to stay an artist. This little, oh yeah, play a match. At this, them I got this here. Because them must size up. Them will consider say and them I same thing. Look on Nation Boss. Make regular man there start tell him suck your mother and beer thing. But think them a start with them buy one cowboy hat. And the dog just there shock and can't believe. But you know what caused that, brother? Mix with dog, you rise with flea. I am yet to lose half of one Proverbs. I don't have a different heart. I don't know if TikTok make you docile. You think none of them could batty boy or buy one cowboy hat could ramp with me? No way, no time at all. But me alright with them because I now put myself in a no position for none of them pussy I feel like them can style me. I'm mad. No.
So yeah, people, 2 Lakhs are stand up for your cause, and because them say the dancehall artists them gone over TikTok, over the TikTokers them playground and feel like say them will get respect over there. But he's saying that you won't get no respect over TikTok because TikTok is a wild place, and if you're a dancehall artist, you're gonna mix up with them and you're gonna become just like them also. So it's crazy.
And think gonna lift it up, gonna swap the horse for the carriage. When anyone say that do. Now all the artists like Gage. To me, one of the baddest lyricists out of Jamaica in the last 10 years. If you ask me, TikTok, engage, pun intended. I'm not talking about married. TikTok ruined him. And I'm one of the baddest artists. I say, trust me, if you talk about lyrics, you know what I talk? Look at this.
Yo, one of the greatest that not easy to come by. Call me a nuclear bomb, with radiation combine. Enough youth no reach each part, me reach, believe me enough try. Got some dogs at prison that will never see the sunlight. Have some things in my brain, give me a pen, they must write. Like how you want this forever, but they are sometime believe.
So people may come across this video with this Trinidad Prime Minister, and she's stating that any homeowner in a Trinidad, any home invasion we are going on in the yard, if you don't have a gun, load it up and fire it and empty the clip on the criminals them we are breaking on the house. But listen to that clip here because it's so funny and we know it got funny too. So listen this.
Home invasion laws and legal firearms. And when the brutal rapists and criminals come into your homes, I tell you again, load up your matic, light them up, empty the clip,
It's just a pity how Jamaican law is not like that, because enough of this go on in Jamaica, and we see the Prime Minister at Trinidad this established this is crazy, and definitely this should have been established in Jamaica also. Shout up Andrew Holness and hear him say about that liar. So on the other topic, people, we have this video going around with a robbery that took place in Alpha Tree at Clock Tower Plaza, and this guy, this criminal element, went into the store, robbed the store, and after robbing the store, he sticked up the girl and asked the girl to give him a head. And you can see where him go behind the curtain where you change off your clothes. And also, like, something went down, but we didn't see much of that. But the girl came out and she stated that that was what happened. And Jaja people, it's a crazy way how Jamaica operate right now. And them youth, them need to get rid of them, get them out, and for once and for all, isn't it?
So, you see the video with the man who robbed the clothes store in a Alpha Tree, and it is said that he met the cashier give him head. Me a fear one day for me alone see it. The whole robbery get catch on a CCTV camera. And the man fool you fret. Him enter the store in a mask, posing as a customer. Him enter the store, I walk around, I look pan pants and shirt and thing until him go over to the cashier. Pop out him pew, start rob the store. Take out him bag, start pack him bag with clothes, go back over to the cashier and take off him mask. Yes, him take off him mask in front of the camera. If you don't believe, head on over to Google and search for the website carrybloop.com. Go watch it for yourself and come back. Yeah, I couldn't believe. Jackass of the year, and I'm glad say him do that, so now police can catch him. But you don't know what hurt me, people? It look like say him touch the cashier, because in the ending of the video, him bring her girl in the changing room and I draw the curtain, and the video just done right there, so like them cut out the part there. And if that happen, Jano bro, it look like say that brother yeah, he made no good.
Now here is the video with the CCTV footage of the criminal elements sexually assaulting the female and also robbing the store. Watch that clippings of people. So people, we have KHAGO here say a few things about the mothers and the fathers them in Jamaica. Or it's hard for them to raise boy pitting, because if the boy pitting them now have a strong father in them life, it's hard for bring them up to a man, because some of them are turned to gun, some of them are turned to she, and you know all the sayings already. But listen what KHAGO have to say, people.
To protect them 3 Sunday. You know see MAVADO couldn't protect him fucking son from going to prison. Where was MAVADO baby mother? Uno get up and I blame Vado. Vado did have it out there doing work. Because Vado himself don't have no daddy. Vado daddy dead for him a pitney. You can't be at two place one pussy cloth time. Where was the mother? Uno need listen to me. I say all I know give cartel all I ratings about good father and good father. Blood clot Shorty a good father. Shorty are the best baby father in Jamaica. If you know want to put it as that. Because Shorty son them, she have to protect them from man who want to kill them. She have to protect them from police who want to kill them. Police who want to put them in that. Brother, you know better get up and come. Hey, you know better. Yo, you no need to tell Shorty say write one book give me how to be a good baby daddy. Since you know I run for be daddy, you know come mama me attack. Listen to me. Why you don't understand? Bro. If it's so hard to be cartel friend, if it's so powerful to be cartel friend, and so hard to being friend, can you imagine being his son? If it is so hard to be one of MAVADO's best friend, much as to be MAVADO's son, his son learning lesson. And listen to me. You see how happy Vado is now? Because he understand. And no feel. But he did have to do what he have to do. Vado come from a very dark place. Me see Vado England and you can see say the man last out. Watch and see. How he gully gotta rise back on top now. In the last, me see the man. And me can tell you something. Me I look straight in his soul and say,
People, if y'all agree with what KHAGO is saying, share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. I'll just respond to you when I get the chance. So I came across another video with a scammer, a Jamaican scammer, scamming a old lady. You can definitely hear the lady sound like a white American, and Jamaican scammer scam the lady. And trust me, people, that video make me laugh, and me don't know, it definitely I gonna make Una laugh because my God, man, these Jamaican scammers are out of order. Them gone the far extreme way, but you can see you can hear in the audio how the dog get dark and vexed because it's like the old lady a scam him also because each time he mentions something to her, she just take him for a puppy show. But listen to the clippings of people.
I will tell you what to write.
All right. Okay.
So I'm asking you. You're not gonna write down nothing. I will tell you when to write.
Okay. All right.
Yes. So do you have the $200 with you now at home?
Do I have what? Oh, 200. The 200. Oh, what I wrote down here. The $200. $200.
Yes. Do you have it at home?
Yeah, I do have it. Yeah.
All right. So listen, what you're gonna do. Now you're gonna write. I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna write, so you write it down. All right. This is what you're gonna write down now.
Okay.
Yes. You ready?
Yeah,
I'm going to tell you what to write.
I'm going to
Yes, you're going to write vanilla.
You
Listen.
to
Hello! Lord God.
write.
You don't need to write that. What's wrong with you?
Vanilla. Did you say vanilla?
That's the only thing you need to write. It seems like everything I said to you, you write it down. You're wasting my time.
You're wasting my
time. Hello.
Hello. We keep getting disconnected. I'm trying.
No,
I think I might have hit it with my cheek. I'm
because-
holding the phone with the side of my cheek so I can write.
No.
And I didn't know if I might have hit the end button or something.
Can you listen to what I'm saying?
It has a button that
Just
sometimes I
listen.
press by accident.
Listen.
Yes,
Listen.
I'm listening.
You just keep talking. Listen.
No, I'm listening. Yeah, because like sometimes I can actually turn my phone up if I need to hear it more if the person is low.
You just need to listen.
I'm listening. Should I turn it up so you don't have to yell? Because it seems like you might be yelling a little bit.
Yes.
I can turn it up.
Turn it up. Yes, turn it up.
All right.
Yes, turn it up.
All right. Okay.
You can hear me better now?
Yes. Can you hear me better?
A lot better.
Can you hear me better? Okay. Good.
A lot better.
A lot
it's
better.
Louder. So,
it's louder?
All right. So
here, let me try this button
listen
again.
now. It's a lot. Yes, it's a lot better now.
Okay. All right.
All right. Listen, you don't need to write nothing. I will tell you what to write. You don't need to write everything I said to you. How are you gonna write everything I say to you?
How are you?
You don't need to write that. Don't write that.
Well, what if I thought you said to write everything that you say, though?
No.
But I'm trying to take down all of the information that I can.
Listen, you don't need to write that. You don't need to write that. Are you stupid? Are you crazy? I tell you what to write.
Okay, let me just start a new page, and I'll put at the top.
Listen.
Listen.
Can you hear me?
Listen.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me? Yes, I can. Yeah. I can hear you. I can hear you.
You know, you're not following.
Hear you. Am I supposed to be writing like how the conversation is going, or just the key points?
No.
What am I supposed to be doing then?
The only thing you need to write, I'm gonna tell you what to write now.
Is what you say.
The
Okay.
only thing,
All right. Okay.
You're gonna write vanilla gift card.
You're going to write.
You don't need to write that. You don't
You just
need to.
told me to write.
Hello.
Gift card.
The only thing you're gonna write is vanilla gift card.
The only thing
You don't need to write that. Just write vanilla gift card.
you don't need to write that. Just write
Hello.
gift card.
You're stupid. I'm gonna hang up the phone. You're wasting my time.
Did you use a contraction there, or you said you're, right?
Listen.
You are.
All right. Hello.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Can you
Hang up the page.
hear me?
Acha. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Acha. I don't know what that means.
Hello.
Hello? Yes, hello?
Can you hear?
I can hear.
Something wrong with your ears? Listen, something wrong with your ears?
I don't think so. I have an appointment for my hearing in 2 weeks, actually.
All right, listen. I just need you to listen to what I'm saying. I just want you to know that you're hearing what I'm saying to you. Can you hear?
Can you hear? Yes.
You don't need to write down all those stupid stuff you're writing down.
I'm not writing stupid stuff. I'm just writing information.
No, you don't need to write that. You don't need to write nothing.
Okay.
The only thing I tell you what to write, when I tell you to write, you write.
Okay, all right, yeah.
You're wasting my time now.
You wasting
Whatcha?
my
time. Why you writing? Why you keep writing down that?
I'm waiting for you. I thought you... What do I write down then? You were waiting for me to write it down, I thought. I thought the pause was for me to write it down. I thought you were giving me time to write it down.
Listen. Get a piece of paper. The only thing you're going to write is the name of the card that you're going to purchase for $200. That's all you're going to write.
$200.
Fuck.
People, let me know what you guys think about this vlog. You know what time it is already, man. Our vibes and inside with another one. I know I'm about to get out of here. Mad. I'm out. Peace.